Hey there, and welcome to 2025. It has been an exciting beginning of the year. The orders are starting to come through the ceiling already in January. It blows my mind because we're not used to this. And last year, we looked at our numbers and they've increased. And the one thing that we can go over and say is that marketing has been the most important part of helping grow the business. Yes, we do photos, we do videos, we do 3D tours and drone work, but yet when it comes down to the brass tacks, it's about how do you market for your business. Your business is real estate. So, what we do is we've created a set of tools in our marketing kit that help you market yourself along with the house that you're selling. And here's the cool thing is that the photos that we take for you are automatically put into all these templates that make everything simple for you to go over and download. It makes your marketing easier, it's effective, it goes over and gets yourself out in front of people every single day. That way, people know who to think about when it's time to list their house. So I hope you would give us a shot this year. Let us shoot your houses. If we haven't shot anything for you in a while, we'd love to catch back up. Please reach out to us. We'd love to help. Let's grow business together in 2025.